Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to enable the dark mode on Apple CarPlay. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Let's select here the Apple CarPlay, so this green logo. From the following list, all you need to do is find here and select the settings. So you can find the settings here, this is this icon, but you can also find it from the list of all apps. Choose here settings. And from list of settings, let's select here appearance. Right now I'm using the automatic, so the car will decide when it should be switched from dark to the bright mode, or you can use always dark. And right now you are using the dark mode of your Apple CarPlay. You can also use the dark mode on your maps. So it depends on your choices. If you prefer the dark mode, you can just set it up right here. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.